Okay, so this is the sheep heart video for the lap. Number one, the pericardium. So sorry, let me just close this up. Okay, so that's the full heart. So the pericardium is right here, right there. And then number two, the apex of the heart. Apex of the heart. And then number three, the right and left atria. So the left atria is here, right here. And then the left atria. Sorry, this is the left atria. And then the right atria is on this side. And then, let's see. So the question under that one is the blood in the right atrium oxygenated or deoxygenated? So in that right atrium, it is deoxygenated. And the blood in the left atrium is oxygenated. And then right and left auricles. Right and left auricles. So auricles are let's see. So the auricles are here. So this is the right auricle. And then the left auricle is right there. And then on that one, what are these used for? So the left auricle collects oxygenated blood as it leaves the lungs and it moves into the blood to the left vein. And then, or the left ventricle, sorry. And then on the right side, it collects deoxygenated blood from the bloodstream and it moves it to the heart's right ventricle. And then on the fifth one, left and right ventricle. So I think I already pointed that out. The inner ventricular sulcus, interventricular sulcus, it is this right here. And then the question is, what major blood vessels are found in the sulcus? It is the coronary blood vessels. On pulmonary trunk, let's see, the pulmonary trunk is located right here. Oh, somewhere right here. Pulmonary trunk. And the question is, where is the blood going to? Is it deoxygenated or oxygenated? It is deoxygenated. At the base of the pulmonary trunk, there's a valve that opens when the right ventricle contracts. When the right ventricle muscle relaxes, the blood goes back up to the pulmonary trunk, and then at that point, the valve closes to prevent backflow. Aorta. Aorta is located here. And let's see, and that is the main artery that oxygenates blood that leaves the heart and it goes to the body. And then on aortic arch and its three major vessels, let's see, it's here at the top. So let's see if I can do this right. I think there are three here, yeah. A pencil. Okay. I don't know what juice this thing is soaked in, but it really burns my hurts climbing hands. Okay, so let's see. This is the back. Oh, sorry. This is the back. There are three here. Okay, so here, let me see. So there are three. Where's the third one? It's right here. Okay, so this right one here, right there, is the brachiocephalic trunk, and then this one here is the left common carotid artery, and then, oh sorry, that one here, the middle one is, And then there's a very left one, and that one is the left subclavian artery. Okay, so that's that. And then superior vena cava. Let's see where that is. That one is, again, we're looking at the back side. That would be, I think it's here. Let me see. It's this, yeah, it's this one that goes up. That is missing. So that's a superior vena cava. And then choose the stripping. And then the inferior vena cava is the one on the bottom, which I don't see. So I think it's this one. Is it? No, it's the further left one. I honestly don't see it. So I found those three. Let's see, I found those three major vessels. It's along this region. Upper, and then the superior is below it. Let's see, number 11, coronary sinus. Coronary sinus runs along here. Oops, runs along here. Okay, and the question is, where is the blood in these vessels going? Which heart chamber? So let's see. It delivers the oxygenated blood from the right atrium along with the superior and inferior vena cava. And then the next question is, are these vessels veins or arteries? They are veins that form a large vessel. Let's see. Next question is, is the blood they are carrying oxygenated or deoxygenated? The blood they're carrying is deoxygenated. Okay, so that's the external anatomy. So on the internal, let's see, show the pectinae in the inner wall of the right atrium. So let's see, the pectinae muscle, it's here. Show the myocardium of the right and left ventricle. The myocardium. Myocardium is this here. Wow, this thing smells. It's right here. And here. And then, why is the myocardium of the left ventricle 3 times thicker than that of the right? So the left side is thicker and bigger because it pumps blood through the entire body, whereas the right side only pumps blood to the lungs. So there's essentially more pressure applied to the area, and therefore it is a lot thicker than the right side. Point out the trabeculae carneae on the inner surface of the ventricles. Let's see, that one is, let's see, the trabeculae carneae of the right ventricle. So let's see, the right ventricle is this side. It would be, oh, it's here. It's right there. And then the next one is the interventricular septum, which is the center. I don't know why. This is making me kind of hungry. I just need dinner, not this thing. Okay, 4 and then 5 is the bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve is on this side. Let's see. It's somewhere in here. And then number 6 is the tricuspid valve, and that is on the other side, which is on this side. And then next one is the chordae tendineae. The chordae tendineae is just above the interventricular septum. So that was in the center that I pointed out previously. So it is on this side, right above the interventricular septum. On the next one, these ones are a little hard for me to figure out what is what, but let's try it. So there is the mitral valve. The mitral valve is, I think, on here. And then there's the aortic valve, which is below that. There. No, actually, the mitral valve is, I think, high. No, actually, that's right. That looks like about here. And then the aortic valve is below it. And then there is the tricuspid valve. So the tricuspid valve, I think I pointed that out before. It's somewhere in here. It's somewhere in here. And then the pulmonic valve, it's above that, so it would be here. Sorry, it's there. Okay, and then, let's see, papillary muscle. The papillary muscle is, let's see, it's right here. That is the papillary muscle. And then the last one is pulmonary semilunar valve. Pulmonary semilunar valve is the one right in the center. It's this one in the center. Oops. It's right in the center. And then the aortic semilunar valve is the one above it on this side. And did I answer all the questions? Yep, I think I did. Okay, that's it. Thank you.